Classic Truck Rescue. Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is a product review. I always say when it's a product review, and I put it in the title and the description, because some people are offended by me doing product reviews, which I don't understand. I've never taken any commission off any of my product reviews. My payment for the product review is a product that we can use out here to further build our version of the American dream that we call the classic truck wrench. Anyway, today I'm kind of excited about my product review because it's something I need really bad. Well, not me, but Captain Blackjack Schwartz. The name is on you guys. It came straight from the comment section, although I did use 3 different comments to come up with Captain Blackjack Schwartz. Anyways, he's neglected, he's dirty. I need a cleaning station out here. I'm taking classic trucks apart, and some of the parts, before I put them in my big building, I want to clean them up. I don't want to just put rusty, dirty parts in a pile. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Captain Blackjack was wheezing a little bit on the way out to feed the cows today. He was skipping his beat. There was a hitch in his giddy-up, and I'll show you why. This is why. I removed the seat to gain access to the air filter, and I saw this, and it's sad, folks, because Captain Blackjack's just a wee lad. He's young, and he shouldn't look like that. Shame on me. Shame on me. But not completely, because I do not have the facilities to clean Captain Blackjack. I looked over there and I saw Gopher. I need to clean up my act. So I'm going to do the deboxing on the Relhost. It's a hose and a reel, and it's 100 foot. Here we go. Gathering for blooming Relhost. There's 5/8 garden hose, 100 foot of it, 10 patterns hose nozzle, automatic retract function, any length lock. Oh, you can lock it out at any length. 180-degree swing bracket and durable materials. We'll see about that. Here we go, unboxing the Relhost retractable garden hose reel, RW22-30S-100FT. Well, I need this. This is something I need. So it comes with the instructions. Hardwares. Don't just start yanking on stuff. There's the swivel right here. Okay, well, it's kind of cool looking. Here's that, don't worry about that. That was these poor hardwares. All right, so looks to me like this is what you use to connect to your existing hose or your water supply. This looks kind of well made to me. Now when it's mounted, that's how it will set. This is the mount right here. I'm assuming it goes like this. That's what those guys are for. Like that. These guys right here. I bet one goes like that. Anyway, make sure you read your instructions. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and read my instructions. This might be pretty cool. Here's the hose that goes into the reel. Got a stopper thing right here. I will read the instructions. This may be worthy of it, but I think this would be cool to hang on the corner of the Relhost garage. I believe the installation height is 36 inches, so be about that high. And then for 100 feet, I can pull the hose out and hook up my pressure washer or whatever, you know. It's good to have access to water. I'll be back. Takes it a while to fill the hose. Wow. There's 100 feet of hose in there and it's getting heavier. It's getting real heavy. Wow. That's a lot of water in a 100-foot hose. Okay. Let's see how it extends and retracts. Here's the fancy nozzle that came with it. This will help. All these little things help us out here. Wow. That goes out pretty far. I like the thumb control too. Oh, there's about 10 feet of hose left in there. Wow, it winds up. Look how it winds up. then I'm going to need to reach with it. I like it. That's pretty cool. Look how it winds up. Alright folks, that concludes my review for the Relhost 100-foot garden reel thing. Peace out.